Exercise 8.4, question number 4. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. In this question, 4 parts are given, and in each part 4 options are given, and we have to choose one correct option from the 4 given options. First part, question number 4 is 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a, and we have to find value of this. We have to choose value of this from 4 given options. So let us first evaluate also, because it is asked to justify our choice also. So if we simplify this, what we will get? 9 we can take common, and we get 9 into sec square a minus 10 square a. We know the identity 1 plus 10 square a is equal to sec square a, and from that identity we can write sec square a minus 10 square a is equal to 1. So using that identity, sec square a minus 10 square a equal to 1, and 1 into 9 is equal to 9. For this we can write the region 1 plus 10 square a equal to sec square a, that is an identity. So finally 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a is equal to 9. We have got its value. So therefore option B is the correct option for this question. Now second part, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We have to find value of this. So let us first evaluate this, and then we will find value of this expression. To find value of this expression, we will simplify first by multiplying all the terms of first bracket to all the terms of the second bracket. So let us multiply 1 into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Tan theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So plus tan theta into 1 tan theta plus tan theta into cot theta minus tan theta into cosec theta. Now sec theta will multiply 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So plus sec theta plus sec theta into cot theta. Plus sec theta into minus cosec theta minus sec theta into cosec theta. 1 plus, first let us simplify this, tan theta into cot theta 1. 1 plus this 1 we can write 2. Or let us write one more step, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus tan theta plus tan theta into cot theta 1, because tan and cot they are reciprocal of each other, minus tan theta into cosec theta plus sec theta plus sec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta sec theta into cosec theta. So minus sec theta into cosec theta. So this 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus tan theta. Now simplify this tan theta into cosec theta. Tan you can write sin by cos, into cosec you can write 1 by sin. You can understand it here. Tan if you write sin by cos and cosec you write 1 by sin, sin cancel and it is 1 by cos, and 1 by cos is sec theta. So we can write tan theta into cosec theta minus sec theta plus sec theta plus sec theta into cot theta. This you can write 1 by cos theta into cot theta. You can write cos theta by sin theta, cos cancel, 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta you can write cosec theta. So plus cosec theta minus sec theta into cosec theta. Sec theta into cosec theta. This minus sec theta plus sec theta cancelled, plus cosec theta minus cosec theta cancelled. So this is equal to 2 plus cot theta plus tan theta minus sec theta into cosec theta. Now let us simplify this cot theta plus tan theta. Here we are going to simplify cot theta plus tan theta. Cot we can write cos theta by sin theta plus tan we can write sin theta by cos theta. If we take LCM, it will be sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Numerator cos into cos, cos square theta plus sin into sin, sin square theta. So in the numerator we have got sin square plus cos square, which will be 1, divided by sin theta into cos theta. We can write 1 by sin theta, we can write 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. 1 by sin theta cosec theta into 1 by cos theta sec theta. So ultimately cot theta plus tan theta we are getting cosec theta into sec theta or sec theta into cosec theta. So this is equal to 2 plus sec theta into cosec theta minus sec theta into cosec theta. So sec theta into cosec theta with plus and minus sign cancelled. So finally we have got 2. So therefore C is correct option for this question. Third part, sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A equal to what? So let us evaluate this given expression sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. First let us change sec A in terms of cos A and tan A, in terms of sin A and cos A, like this. Sec A we can write 1 by cos A plus tan A we can write sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. This is equal to, take LCM, cos A. 1 plus sin A is numerator into 1 minus sin A. This is equal to 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A by cos A. Here let us apply A plus B into A minus B formula, which is equal to A square minus B square. In the numerator it is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So applying A square minus B square formula, we can write 1 square 1 minus sin square A by cos A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A by cos A. So this we can write cos square A, we can write cos A into cos A by cos A. Cos A cancelled. So finally we have got cos A. Therefore D, cos A is correct option for this question. Now fourth part, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to what? Here in this part 4 options are given. We have to choose the correct option. For this expression, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So let us simplify this given expression as 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. Let us write 1 by tan square A, 1 by tan square A. This is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 1 tan square A into 1 plus 1 by tan square A, that is tan square A plus 1 upon tan square A. This is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A, and this is equal to 1 plus tan square A into tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square A cancel. So we have got tan square A. Therefore option D, tan square A, is correct option.